he did a back test on that quick and dirty broken wing butterfly that we did last session, and talks about how amazingly well it did for something we just kind of pulled out of our hat. So this is what the equity curve looked like on the back test that he did. 77% win rate, which is extremely good, and average winners and losers are fairly close, which is nice. The largest losers bigger than the largest winner, but that's going to happen from time to time. Sometimes you'll get like a double loss on these type of trades, which I don't imagine it's very common, but that does happen from time to time. So in 161 trades, $145,000 profit, and average yearly return of 41.7, although we're running overlapping trades, I'm guessing, and this is what we have, about 20.9% return for the trading account over that period of time, with a little bit of trouble here in 2018 and 2019. That's typical. It's been a challenging trading environment in the last couple of years. We've had some very unusual volatility skews and stuff like that, and that's going to happen, right? And we've seen it before. A little bit of a challenging time here, challenging time there, but overall, if you stick with the strategy, you do really, really well. And you're going to find the same thing with the bull trade. You're going to find times or sometimes extended periods where you go years where you're having good results, and then you'll have a bad year here or there. But over time, we do very well.